Chewy, say hello. Chewy just got home from his surgery and I cried the whole ride home. I was so sad, I thought he would hate me. You see what they did? No, no, no. Hey, stop. I shaved down his little legs so he could do blood tests. And he doesn't know what to do with those ones right there. He's kind of snubbing him right now. When he walked in the room, he was he just kind of stopped and stared at him. He was very shocked. So he knows I still love him though. He knows that he will never be replaced. Chewy, go see the puppies. Go see them. Alright, maybe he'll warm up. Oh, oh, oh. Go see him. Go say hi, Chew. Go say hi to the babies. Go say hello. Go see him. Go see him. It's okay. Go say hi. Chewy, go say hi. Chewbacca. Chewy. Chewy, go say hi. Go say hi. Chewy. He's not ready yet. Hey, no, 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 no.